Where did you?
Hey everyone, the Blockster here. Today I'm gonna be reviewing a poly bag on Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom. This is supposed to be from the flashback scene from one of the scenes of Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom. And let's take a look at the baby blue. So this is baby blue. It's got sand green color. It's a sand green color with dark blue stripes going down its back. It's got eyes, cute baby raptor claws, and it's my sister's favorite. Now, this playhouse has a little entrance for the dinosaur to walk in, just like that. It's got a little chicken bone right there, and little cages right here, like in a jail cell. Even though it's not a jail cell, it's like a little crate of some sort. Keep dropping this. There's two stands right here for the baby raptor to stand on. More specifically, blue. Lights right here. I'm using the tail. There are lights here on both sides. Leaf pieces. I think these are new leaf pieces from last year. And there's a bone right here. There's a little bone right here. And there's a little drinking fountain when the raptor gets too tired. So that's pretty much it for this set. And three things I like about it is that, one, there's a little chicken bone stand right here. Two, these leaf pieces. And three, this amazing water fountain right here. There's a little drinking area. And it's my favorite, it's my sister's favorite. It's the only Jurassic World set I have from Fallen Kingdom. And that's all I have to say. So until next time, frick on.
Where did you?